Okay.
Ang ganda.
Oh, kamay na lang.
Ang ganda.
Beso-beso bago magsimula.
Ingat, ingat.
Ingat na lang. Rep, beso-beso tayo pag nag-start.
Di ba malambot yan, Loy? Malambot yan tayo. Okay naman, no? Quarters yan, quarters!
Sige na, dalayan nyo.
Normal ka, normal na lang. Saan?
Boss, madam.
Sino? Uy, sino yun?
TL Francis, walang uniform yun?
Kasi pag sumigaw mo, technical
Sa inyo ba yun? Hindi, hindi yan.
Nanakaw dahil siya.
Hey, tama, dito ang page. Ba't saan sila pupunta?
Dito, dito, wait.
Yung fans lang, yung fans. Yung fans.
May plus yan. Nawala na yung jersey. Since may, ano yan, may plus yan ha. Wala tayo magagawa, rules yun.
Okay na, Bin? First ball. Goes to green ball. Goes to green.
Ge. Ano lang? Hindi ko makita. Pinasa kay Green. Pinasa ulit kay Green.
Baldas.
Pinasa kay number 2. Beo.
Nasa kay Lim.
Pinasa kay Lim.
Baldas for
Baldas for 3. Walang tinamaan. Good. Nasa kay Ace. Foul. Baldas, first personal foul, first team foul. Oras, 9:20.
Gana tayo.
Hirap eh.
Labang iba announcer dyan?
Labo, may 20 ako rito, mag-announcer lang oh. Hop, Leo,
2 points.
2 points by Leo. Tangang hirap mo din. Ayan. Dribble, tinira, supalpal.
Foul, Lim. Foul number 2, Lim.
Foul number 2, Lim. First personal foul, second team foul. Ako na lang kaya dyan eh. Ikaw na sa akin. Hindi ako sa akin. Uy, sila Lim! Tumantangan.
14
Hey, Sporting to shoot.
Leo for 3.
Hospital. Tinira. Pasok. 2 points by Hospital. 4-0. Ano, walang gano'n talaga. Ang hirap. Magana, meron ko ba na, sir?
Ganda naman.
14 shoot.
14 to shoot. Number 3 for 3.
May gagawin ka.
Number 35 with the rebound. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 31. 21 with the drive. Layup. Ace got the ball. Ace. Ace finding his teammates. Setting up a play. Hey, for 2 points.
6-0 run for Team Brainstormers.
6-0 run for Brainstormers. Number 2. Pass to number 3. For 3. Ace. Wait lang daw, wait lang. Setting up a play.
Rep, reserve timeout. Green.
95 for 3. Number 2 with the fast break. Taran. Wala. Ace, pass it to number 10. 10, Montaño. Hey, with 2 points. Timeout. Green. Big shot.
Ayusin nyo ngayon, yan ha. Mamaya ano.
Mamaya, galit-galit na yan.
Mamaya ino mo.
Layo, okay, Typhon.
Back to the ball game.
Papagupit ba si Kuya Greg kung hindi papanalo?
Mamaya, yeah, galit na yan. Ward, titigal sa Ward. Yan,
Time remaining for the first quarter. 6:45. Pass to number 3. For 3. Short. Ball goes to Brainstormers. Ace with the ball. Setting up a play. Ace. Pass to the big man. Big man. For foul.
Foul number 3, Beho.
Foul number 3, Beho.
Third team foul.
Third team foul. First shot on the line. Wala.
Ward,
Second
pahabol mo
shot.
na second. Yun ang diskarte yan.
Isa lang.
Huwag mo na kayo mag-cheer, papahabol pa ni Ward sa second yan.
2, nagmamadali. Nasa akin 21.
Wala yung papilero.
21.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Ace.
10 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
10 to shoot.
5.
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Pakinggan mo ako, Vince.
Sorry.
Sige lang,
14 second shot clock.
14
14
seconds.
second shot clock. Three
10 to
fast
shoot.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Okay. 2 points
Yan na yung direct.
by number 22.
Wala yung papilero.
Wala.
Ace, gumagawa ng play.
Wala rin yung Franco.
Tumira ng 3. Kapos. Leo, pinasa
10 to
kay
shoot.
Ace. 10 to shoot. Hey, Rans Montaño.
Drop sa ano yun, Ritz ah? To the moon?
21. With behind the back. With a 3. Wala. What a rebound by number 3.
Big man ng Burnstone.
25, setting up a play.
Shot lang.
Pass to Leo.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot.
Gilid sa
21, fast break. Fast break. Bumangga sa pader. 25, pass to early. Wala. The 3, setting up a play. With a shot. Wala. Namang rebound na yun, no?
Puro ganyan.
Pass to early for 3. Wala.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Okay.
Tira lang, hindi mo sa...
Kapos.
At least,
mo, shoot mo. Time out.
Time out! Brainstormers.
natira naman eh.
This league is Barge Basketball League. Saturday edition by Kuya and Mari.
Yan na, yan na.
Loli. Pwede pa ilang.
Back to the ball game. Number 2, Lim. Setting up a play. Pass to 21. 21 with a drive.
Ah? Ayun, binuo yung lineup. Kasi nila
Wow!
Ano yun?
Fouled by number 10
RJ.
of Brainstormers.
Pinayaan ko sa kanila.
Malakas din naman yung iba.
Kaya,
On the line by
masama yung
21.
Biyado pa yung kanila.
First shot. No
Hindi ko
good.
kaya ibang ano eh, sa Wamit eh. Hindi binawal din labas eh.
Sino yung mga...
Second shot.
Yung mga sila dyan, Robnyala Brothers, yung maliliit.
Twenty-two with a drive, passes 35. 35 with a shot. It's good. By number 35.
Kawawa si Pusa.
Montano. Montano pares to Ace. Ace pares to Crinoli. Rebound. Foul by Renz Montano, number 10.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Second personal foul. Second team foul by Brainstormers. Big shot, setting up a play. Pass to number 3 with a drive.
To shoot.
Kick out, 40 to shoot. Brainstormers, huwag daw magmadali. Pinasa sa big man with a 2.
Ang gumagano.
Big shot, setting up play with a hezzy. Pass to number 3.
14 seconds to shoot.
14 seconds to shoot. Goes up for the 3. Hey! Pumasok din talaga yon. Tira lang ng tira. Hanggang sa pumasok. Ace! Pass to Kuya Leo. Ace!
10 to shoot.
Pass 10 to shoot. Ace with a drive. Kick out. Wala. Pass break opportunity. By number 2. Pass to 21. With a 3. Number 2. 10 to shoot.
Ay, puta ka na! 5 seconds!
5 seconds. Foul. By number 346.
First personal foul, third team foul.
First personal foul, 13th foul for the Brainstormers.
10 seconds to go.
10 seconds. Shot clock. Big shot. And 2 points by Big Shot. And over the first quarter. Ooh.
Ano, naglalaro lang po ito.
Hey, Por!
Na-ready ko lang yung pangalan mo doon, Por. Dito ka na?
Huwag ka na, announcer ka na.
Back to the ball game. Brainstormers ball.
Sis, cancel out na lang yung plus ha, kulang sila isa eh. Cancel out na lang yung plus. Ha?
Baka may plus kami.
Wala.
Na.
Number 6. Pass to number 15. No good. Number 10. With a pass break opportunity. Pass to 29. Wow! Landing spot. Number 29.
First personal
2 shots. First personal foul. First team foul. $29 on the line. It's good. Second shot. No good. What a rebound. Pass break. Well, on bus. Big shot ball. Big shot. Number 10 setting up a play. Number 29.
Ayaw.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot for the big shot. Binasa.
10 to shoot.
10 to What a steal by number 29. 29 with a shot. Wala. Brainstormers. 19. 19 with a layup. Wala. Foul.
14.
Number 14. First personal foul. First team foul. For the big shot. Brainstormers. Pass to number 19. Pass to number 6. On pass. Short. Jump ball. Big shot ball. Big shot. Magawa ng play. Nag-aantay. Binasa. And number 96. No good. Jump ball opportunity again. Pass to Brainstormers. Brainstormers ball. Ombas. Ombas. Gumagawa ng play. Na papapasahan. Binasa kay block. Foul? Foul by number 14.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Ilapit niyo yung video. Hindi naman hindi pala eh.
Ombas. Ombas. Binasa kay Montaño. Wala. Binigay. 28. 28. Dumride. It's good. For number 28.
Score,
Tangin ang dami nakain yan.
Score is 13-12. 1 point lead. For big shot. Foul. Number 29.
First personal foul, third team foul.
First personal foul. 13 foul. For the big shot. 19.
Offensive foul, Samba.
Offensive foul. By number 47. 28. Binigay 10. 10. Gahanap. Kick out. 29. Travel. Timeout. Big shot. Back to the ball game. Second quarter. Time remaining left.
Ito player na agad dito. No?
5:50.
Dapat.
5 minutes and 50 seconds. Montaño. Binigay kay number 29. 29, naghahanap ng play. Binigay kay Ombas. Ombas with a drive. Kick out. Ombas, 10 to shoot. What a steal. Ball remains.
8 second shot clock.
8 seconds remaining.
Shot clock.
Shot clock.
7, 6, 5, 4,
3,
3,
2.
2. Wala na. Dito mama.
Big shots, ball. Out of bounds by Brainstormers. 29, binasa kay number 10. Number 10, magawa ng play. Binigay kay number 96. It's good.
Change favor.
Change favor.
Timeout na kayo. Ay, hindi pa.
Brainstormers.
Reserve timeout tayo ah.
Reserve time.
Reserve timeout for Brainstormers. What a rebound by number 14. 99 with a pass break opportunity. Binigay kay number 10. Number 10 for 2. Timeout! Brainstormers. This league is brought to you by Parts Basketball League.
Mari Basketball League.
Imari pala. Sorry.
Sorry. Busog ko, dami.
Ang dami mo nakain siguro.
Ano ka na niya?
Eat all you can.
All you can.
Nakina ako, solo rin ako kanina. Nag-eat all you can ako. Ayaw kumain ni Bella eh.
Dumating yung lola ni Adrian, tapos mama niya. Buong family, reunion na.
Back to the ball game.
Side 2 BKE. Ano yung team mo?
Ako pupunta kay
Brainstormers. Nag-iisip kung paano maka-shoot.
Nag-iisip para
Medyo kaya kalmahan lang. Moses!
On blast. Nag-iisip ng papasaan. Nag-iisip ng play. Binigay sa ilalim. And final, ay! Wala pa rin. Traveling by number 28. Ball goes to the Brainstormers.
Turuan mo nga mag-dribble, Beo.
Brainstormers, number 6. Number 6, on blast. Wala. On blast. 29. Ganap na papasan. Pass sa number 96. With 2, wala. Pasa kay 47. 47 with the drive. Wala. Foul by number 47, Brainstormers. Wala pa ya. 29. Pasa kay number 10. Sabi niya, relax lang. Relax. Gumagawa ng play. Big shot. With a 2, wala. Ombas with a rebound. Oh, out of bounds by Ombas. Big shot, Wall.
Kaya, lapset ah. Pwede mag-score.
28. Pinasa kay 29. 29 with a shot. Wala. What a pass break. Number 19, wala pa rin. Number 96 with a drive. Bumangga, what a block. By number 29 of Brainstormers.
18 seconds to shoot.
18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds. Number 10 with the inbound. Pass 29. Pass to number 96. For 3. Wala. What a rebound with 47. Fast break. Out of bounds. Big shot ball. 80 seconds left.
Gago total.
Shot clock pala yun, sorry.
2 minutes and 10 seconds.
2 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 10. Pinasa kay 29. 29.
10 seconds to shoot.
10 seconds to shoot.
9 second shot clock.
9 second shot clock. 9 second shot clock. Ibaba number 10. Pass to number 96 for 3. Number 96. Brainstormers. Wala pa rin score.
Moses! Help me!
Pinasa kay number 19. Number 6, foul.
Nice!
Number 28.
Warning to penalty.
Warning, penalty for big shot. What a steal by number 10. Number 10, foul by number 19.
Idol, maglaro. Bigyan mo pass break na, hindi nyo tuloy nakuha.
On the line, 2 shots opportunity for big shot. First attempt.
Kay Elvin.
Wala.
Sabi na.
Number 10. Second shot. It's good. 47, pass to number 6. Fast break opportunity. Wow. Number 29, penalty.
Oo.
Penalty.
10
Ito natin ng 10 seconds.
May
10
10 seconds
game
pa kayo.
clock.
10 seconds,
10 seconds
game
pa.
clock. Number 6, first attempt.
Wala pa rin shoot ng
No good. For Brainstormers. Number 6 on the line, second attempt. Wala pa rin. Foul. Number 28. 2 shots, penalty. 8 seconds remaining in the game clock. 47. Wala pa rin! Di makascore ang Brainstormers. Parang sarado ang ring. Brainstormers. Wala pa rin! Wala pa rin! 5, 4, 3, 2. Sorry.
Wala nga pala yun pag ano.
Ano lang, 10 seconds, 5 seconds.
Tawag mo na kasi hindi nagko-commit eh.
Ang score natin 21-13. Grabe ang hinahabol. Big shot with the momentum. Big shot. 24. Pass to 31. Number 96 with a drive. Still. 3-4-6. 3-4-6 pass to the big man. It's good. Finally for Brainstormers.
Ang isang buong quarter yun.
Big shot. Gumagawa ng play. Number 2. Pass to 21. 24 with a 2. It's good for number 24. Ace, Tinao. Binigay kay 47. 95 for 3. Wala. What a rebound. Fast break opportunity for number 3. With a shot. 47. Binigay kay number 3. Nag-drive. Foul. It's good. Fouled by number 3. Beho. Bella. Bonus opportunity for Brainstormers. Wala. Sa bonus attempt. Big shot. Abi, wait lang. Gumagawa muna ng play.
Shot clock ko yan.
Yes, sabihin ko sa'yo.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Number 2 for 2 points. It's good for number 2. What a shot for number 2 there. 25.
Unti lang at tagal pa niyan.
Brainstormers. Ace. Gumagawa ng play. Isip. 3-4-6. Pinasa sa big man. Pinakuha. Number 24. What a Euro step. Number 3 with the rebound. Foul.
Same ball.
Same ball. Out of bounds na pala.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. (24) May dala ng bola. Mag-crossover.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. Ace. Fast break. Ay, wala. What a rebound by 3-4-6. 21.
Mahalang si Canoli.
21. Pass to number 96. What a block! by number 3 of Brainstormers. Ace, 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 with the 2 points by Ace. Easy lang daw, sabi na Kuya RJ. Gotsil yan. Gisep. Binasa kay number 2. Number 2 kay Kuya RJ. 14. Ace, Ace, Ace na drive. Binasa kay 3-4-6. Time out! Big shot.
Mali. Sige.
Nagkamali lang. Tao lang din. Nagkamali. Time remaining 6 minutes and 29 seconds in the third quarter.
Tama lang yan. 5 yung lamang yan sa akin.
Back to the ball game. Number 2. Pinasa kay 24. 24. Gage it on play. 24. To drive. Pinasa kay number 3 with a shot. 10 to shoot. Fast break opportunity. Fast break. Hey!
Sana lang.
2 points.
Sana lang alam mo.
1 point lead by Big Shot. Wago on the play. Pinasa kay number 2. Number 3. 14 to shoot for Big Shot. 3! Number 96. Nag-kiss pa sa ere. 25. Pinasa kay 25. Wala. Out of bounds. Big shot po. Big shot. Number 2. Setting up a play. Pinasa kay 24. 24 with a drive. Kick out. Kick out once again for 3. Hey! Number 96 with a momentum in the 3 points. 95. 95. Kick out. Hey! Number 3 with the 2 points there. Pacing lang daw, sabi ni Kuya RJ. Setting up a play by number 2.
14 seconds.
14 seconds to shoot. What a block.
12 seconds shot.
12-second shot clock.
Substitution.
Substitution rep. Number 3. Pinasa kay number 2. Number
10
3.
seconds.
10 seconds. 21. For 2. Wala. Rebound by Brainstormers. Fast break. 25. Kick out. Binomba. 2. Big shot. Big shot. Heading out of play.
Reserve sub.
Reserve sub. Number 3 for 3. Hey! Number 3.
Sige, naka-reserve.
Ombas. Ombas. 10. Pass to Ombas. Ombas for 2. Wala.
Sub.
Traveling. Sub rep. Number 2. Set over play once again. Nag-iisip kung sino papasahan. 24. 24, pinasa kay 21 sa gitna. 10 to shoot. Sobra. Number 3 for 3. Wala. Number 2 for 2. Wala. Rebound. Kanya pa rin. Hey! Number 2 for 2 there.
Haba mo.
Number 6. Pass to number 19. Number 19. Pass to 3, 4, 6 for 3. Wala. 24. Wait lang daw. Wag muna daw. 24. Dumrive. Out of bounds. Brainstormers ball.
Baba lang nila ng 5.
Brainstormers. Number 19. Yan sa ilalim. What a steal. Fast break. 21. 21. Timeout. Brainstormers.
Sige, pasok na kaya pwede. Tama nga yung sinabi ko na po sa kanina okay lang.
Sige, kaya lang.
Back to the ball game. Brainstormers ball. Ace, grabe yung tingin. Manlilisik. Ace. With the drive. Ace. Ace. Pinasa sa ilalim. Ombas. Ombas for 2. Wala. 3. What a rebound. Pass break opportunity. 21. Pass to number 28. Wala. 21. Saves it. 47. 47 with the steal. 47 with the drive. What a 2 points by number 47. Wait lang daw, sabi ni Cora RJ. 24. 24, pass to number 2.
14.
14 seconds, shot clock. 3 points, wala. Brainstormers ball.
Piso-piso lang, piso-piso lang, piso-piso lang.
Ace. Setting up play. Ace. Pinasa kay Ombas. Ombas, muntik ang mabitawan. Ombas. Ace. Pinasa kay Renz. Nawala. Number 3, na steal. Fast break. Fast break. Number 2. Hey! 2 points. By big shot. Ace. Still sana. Brainstormers. Brainstormers, number 10, number 35. 25.
Lakas.
Ombas with the rebound. Block. Ombas again.
10 to shoot.
10 to shoot. 47.
Ayan, pwede.
Bang, bang.
Bang! Number 19 there.
6
24.
seconds. 5.
4.
Okay lang yan. Bawi lang. Nakaupo ka lang, hindi ka mapapagod. Nakalalaro ka, mapapagod ka talaga.
Check lang mo kasi muna yung bola bago ibigay.
Galing kaya yung ano, inaanak. Pamangking ko yan. Tita niya yun.
Back to the ball game.
Last quarter na ya.
Oh, last quarter. I'm a big boy star.
Last quarter.
Goma.
For the first game. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Brainstormers. Tinira. For 3. Wala. Rebound by the big shot. 21. Number 2. Pinasa kay 21. 21. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 3. Wala. Number 25. Oh, pass break opportunity. Pass break. Binigay. Wala. Foul. By number 25. Brainstormers. Warning. For number 19. For continuous complaining. 21. Big shot. Pinasa kay number 2. Number 2. Wait lang daw, taking time.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot. Pinasa kay number 3. Number 3.
Seconds.
3 seconds. Violation. For the big shot.
Dami rin yan. Sayang.
Brainstormers. Makakabol kaya. 25. 25. Setting up a play. Pinasa kay Gordon. Wala. Miss.
Pa!
Pinasa sa big man.
Wow.
Foul. By number 29. 96, sorry.
Sub, GA?
Brainstormers. Pinasa number 95. Na! Grabe naman yung tres na yan. By number 95. Number 2. Nagdadala. Binigay si number 31. Number 21. Pass to number 96. Wala. This time. Pass break. Pass break. 25. For 2. Wala. 21. 21.
Fade away.
21. Still. By number 25. Number 3. Number 3. Pass. Ansbo, ref. Ansbo. By number. Unsportsmanlike foul there. By number 96. Bonus for big shot. Brainstormers. Sub.
Sige, pagka-shoot.
Pagka-shoot daw yun.
Pagka-shoot o pagka-supply.
Kahit sablay or pasok, ano?
Babasa ko lang.
Substitution rep. Labas ang lalabas. Pasok ang papasok. Brainstormers. 25. 25 setting up a play. 95. Kuya Leo for 3. Wala. 21 with the rebound. Pass to number 2. Number 2. Pinas ka number 3. Number 3 for 3.
Wala.
Wala.
Kita.
Rebound. Foul. Foul by 21 from behind. Brainstormers. Ilan na lang ang inahabol. 25, setting up a play. Pass it to number 95. For 3, wala. Number 2 pass break. Binigay. Nabitawan. Nariba. Foul! Who's foul, rep?
Saba kayo?
3-4-6. Foul. Two shots for big shot. First attempt. Wala. Second attempt. Pasok yan.
Sub.
Sub, rep. Ombas.
Ay ga.
Binigay kay Ace. Ace, nag-iisip ng papasahan. Binigay kay Ombas with the drive. Wala. Rebound. Foul. And foul by number 24, RJ. Bonus.
Score, 40-38.
Score is 40-48.
40-38.
40-38.
Dalawa lang.
2-point lead.
2-point
Advantage from
lead.
big shot.
Advantage from big shot.
Early.
Early. Bola goes to big shot. Big shot.
Malaki pending dito.
Big shot. Binigay kay
Hindi tayo
number 2. Number 2. Setting up a play. Decent. Binigay kay 29. Number 3. May stealan. 14 to shoot. Na-steal. Big shot. Great Somers.
Baliktad yung Pectus.
Foul by 3-4-6.
Baliktad yung Pectus.
Meron timeout tayo.
Dalawa.
Sige, focus lang, focus. Sige, bawi, sayang. Sige lang, 2 points na yan.
RJ, nag-iisip. Setting up a play. Kay number 2. Kick out. Number 29 there. 4-2. 25. Baba ng bola. Binigay. May stealan. Pass break. Kick out. Kick out ulit. Wow! Number 6. Time out! Brainstormers. Both teams warning for penalty.
Yeah, pare-pareho pala to.
Page mo kasi Cyrus. Ano? Page mo si Cyrus.
Sai!
Cyrus, paging by Kume, Cyrus.
Balance yan.
Sumpina.
Sumpina.
Pabigay kay Tony. Ay, Tony.
Hey, first attempt by Big Shot.
Nauna na naman yung init na kanina.
Big Shot, second attempt.
Shoot.
All is good. More Big Shot. Number 6. Binigay kay number 10.
Hindi pwedeng wala ka sa
Ombas kay Montaño. Kick out. Wala. Montaño. Binigay kay Noli. For 2. Wala pa rin.
Malas yun.
Rebound. Binigay kay number 2. 24, setting up a play. Number 2, kick out. 24 with the rebound. 24 with a shot. Wala. Rebound once again. Foul. Penalty rep. Foul by number 10. Renz Montaño.
Por, ang lakas mo, Por! Galing ka sa buhos, Por!
29 on the line. First attempt.
Gusto maglaro.
Hey. First shot is good.
Last na yan.
Second attempt. No good there. Baba ng ball, malaki. 95, binigay sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Who's ball up? Brainstormers ball.
Leo, si Leo!
Gordon. Pinasa kay Ombas. 14 to shoot. Ombas with the drive. Nice stealan. 21, fast break opportunity. Sobra. 95. Binigay kay number 6. Number 6, binigay sa ilalim. Block! Number 3. 29. Tinake out. 24, wait lang daw, wait lang. Easy. Easy
14 to
lang.
shoot,
14 to shoot. 4 big shot.
10 to shoot.
10. Wala. Fast break. Wow! 29.
Sasab ka ba?
2 shots.
Sub.
Sub rep.
Tangin naman Noli.
First attempt for brainstormers.
Isa pa lang. Tang!
Di talaga makashoot. Ang kuya ko.
Tulungan ng pamangkin.
Di ko alam bakit. Second shot. Wala pa rin.
Yun, no.
Rebound. Foul!
Sab.
Foul by number 29. Sub rep. Sub. Pasok ang papasok. Lalabas ang lalabas. 95, first attempt. Wala. Second attempt for number 95. It's good. Sub rep.
Okay, pasok.
Big shot. Ayan na. Binigay. Kay number 3. Number 2 pala. Number 2. Number 2 to number 3.
14 to shoot.
14 to shoot for big shot. 29. Pinasang ay 24.
9 to shoot. 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
4, 3.
Ah!
Galing ng 9
Number 2.
9 seconds galing.
Ang sakit yun. 95. 95.
Basket mo.
24. Mukhang give up na.
Jim, kamay kayo.
Wala na. And concede. Big shot with the win.
Por. Ang galing ni Por. Ang shooter ah.
Ano namin sila?
Best player of the game.
Ay, nakapatay.
Best player of the game, jersey number 96, Nor.
Stop lang to, no? Pre. Stop lang.